So just asking, just making sure where you guys can see my slides, right? I see. So my name's Alfred with Karim, and our tag lead is Josh. And earlier in the morning we had Victor and Ben with us, but then they had to leave. Okay. So we worked on the problem of trying to find the best region that we should canvas, and then regions that we can get the most number of supporters. Like we simply do not have time to visit every regions in Toronto, right? Because time is precious. So and yep. So we were given a set of data, and then with this data, we came up with a solution to the problem. So in the data, we were given like different we were given the information of different donors. Well, not donor. I'm sorry. I guess residents like in different area. So we have their address, and then we have their postal code, and then whether we have visited them before, and for those that are visited, whether they are strong supporter or not. We have yep, and then we're given the specific latitude and longitude. Yep.
So our proposed solution was actually we first just sorted them by the strong supporters, the regions, because we thought that was like the most reasonable thing to do, and Josh also like helped us out. And but the second in our solution, what we want to do in the like future is that like we also want to like map the population density and distance. Like we thought of like since these regions are like on a map, we thought like we can use like a graph to represent these regions, and like each region could be a graph node or a vertex, and then we could like this way we can minimize the path. So in what we're canvassing, so like it will minimize walking and like will help us with the time. So yeah, in our proposed solution, that's what we intended to do.
So with technology, like with by playing around with some software, we were able to end up with this table. So we ranked it. Sorry. Okay. So we ranked like so we given the postal code, we grouped them by the first three characters, and then we rank this region by the number of strong supporters from the highest to lowest. So the result that we got was that the region with postal code M4C had like the most number of strong supporters, 34 of them, and there are still around 2,000, but more than 2,000 people that we have not visited. So we are claiming that this region is a potential region that we should prioritize. We should visit first because it seems like it has the most potential of finding the most strong supporters.
Wow. So as we mentioned earlier, we have like our solution has two main benefits. First one is that we can minimize time by like not wasting time on regions that we're not going to have a lot of support. So prioritize by support, and then create like this shortest like optimal path between all the regions that we select to go. So Yeah.
Okay, so in a project we used Python's pandas library, which was the technology that we used to analyze the data, the raw data that we were given, and then Anaconda was just the software that we had to use pandas in. So we just want to say thank you to Josh, our tech lead, for teaching us like how to use like all these technologies. Before like both Karim and I, we thought like before coming to this event, we thought we'll be developing software, but then we actually end up doing something related to data science, which was great and actually better than we expected. So yep, we yep, we just want to say thank you to Josh for teaching us like stuff in data science.
I don't want to belabor the same point, but in the data that we found, we want to create like this optimal this system that how do I say it? We want to create like an analytical like a number to rate the regions, because like we want to further analyze the relationship between the number of undecided people, strong supporters, and like uncontacted people, and like come up with an index for that reason, like region for one single number, where while like coming up with a ratio between or something like that. I don't know yet, but so that we can rate them with all of them with like reduce the dimension, like all of them with one numbers to like sort the like how do I say it? Easily compare which state is more reasonable to go. Like this is more like where we have to like think about it or like use statistics, but like this is our plan for future. I hope you guys enjoyed our presentation. Thank you very much for listening.